Hey there, welcome back to another exciting review on our channel. Today we have something truly special to talk about, the A1989 A2159 A2251 A1706 A1708 A2337 A2338 LCD display screen for Macbook Pro/Air 2012-2020 year. If you're a proud owner of a Macbook Pro or Air, then you know the importance of having a top quality display screen. This incredible LCD display screen is the perfect solution for all your visual needs. With its impeccable clarity and crisp resolution, you'll be amazed at the difference it makes in your day-to-day usage. Whether you're working on important projects, streaming your favorite shows, or editing photos and videos, this display screen will truly take your experience to the next level. Not only does it provide stunning visuals, but it also boasts impressive durability and reliability. You can rest assured that this screen will last for years to come, making it a wise investment for the long term. Plus, the easy installation process means you can enjoy your new and improved display in no time. So, if you're ready to take your Macbook Pro or Air to the next level, then look no further than the A1989 A2159 A2251 A1706 A1708 A2337 A2338 LCD display screen. Say goodbye to subpar visuals and hello to a whole new world of clarity and precision. Don't wait any longer, click the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing display screen today. Your computer will thank you, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.